Let me show you how to make this super easy and creamy Oreo ice cream recipe with just 3 simple ingredients and no need for an ice cream maker. If you are a fan of cookies and cream ice cream, this recipe is a must-try. To make this simple Oreo ice cream, start by putting 10 Oreo cookies with the cream scraped off into a plastic bag. Crush them into small bits with a rolling pin or the bottom of a cup. Next, take a large mixing bowl and add 2 cups or approximately 470 milliliters of cool, heavy whipping cream. Whip the heavy cream until it thickens and forms soft peaks. It should be smooth and hold its shape when you lift the whisk out, as you can see in the video here. Now, pour in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, which is 14 ounces, and use an electric mixer on low speed to gently blend it into the whipping cream until everything is smooth and well combined. Next, pour in the crushed Oreo pieces and very gently fold them into the ice cream mixture until they are evenly distributed throughout the cream. Now, take about 9 inches by 5 inches loaf pan and pour the mixture into it, spreading it out evenly so that it fills the corners. Then, place a few extra Oreo pieces on top for some added crunch and a nice finish. Next, cover the loaf pan with plastic wrap and place it in the freezer. Let it freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours or until the ice cream is firm and fully set.
Yum!
This ice cream is creamy with lots of Oreo pieces, and as you saw, it was so easy to make. I must say that I make it way more often than I probably should. Check out how to make this 2-ingredient creamy sugar-free ice cream. It is guilt-free and won't mess up your diet, so you can eat as much as you like without worrying about it ruining your healthy eating goals. Check it out now.